Hi everyone, good morning. I have one more good topic to discuss with you all, which actually one of the user who took this point to us. कि whatever are our trading expenses, हमारा जो भी trading expenses जो होता है, should we track those trading expense? एंड इफ एट ऑल वी आर ट्रैकिंग, अगर हम वो ट्रेडिंग एक्सपेंसेस को हम ट्रैक कर रहे हैं, हाउ इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल. ओके, so we will discuss about this particular topic today. Should we discuss about our should we track our trading expense? Okay, so this is today's topic. ओके, मैं हूँ सीताराम, एडमिन ऑफ मार्केट स्टार आल्गो. तो अभी मंथ एंड हो रहा है. वी हैव क्लोज्ड अगस्त मंथ एंड व्हेनेवर मंथ एंड्स we track lot of our net profit, net loss, और क्या क्या expenses हुए trading related. तो I thought this particular video will help all the users. Okay, so basically the first question, should we track our trading expense? The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Now, the second question, after knowing the answer is yes, the second question comes, why? हमारे ब्रोकर में कुछ प्रॉफिट हुआ, हमने कुछ स्ट्रेटेजी यूज किए. If we are getting any profit, we already got the profit. Then why to track expenses? When we tell about expenses, what are the expenses we can track? I'll tell you. Okay, so expenses can be our Tretron expense. Okay, Tretron expense. Second type of expenses may be the profit sharing, what you are already sharing, profit sharing. Okay, when you track the expense, always track the expense as per the net which you get from your broker terminal, not from the Tretron terminal, because Tretron always tracks the gross profit, gross P&L, whereas from the broker terminal, after deduction of the cost, ब्रोकर टर्मिनल में आपको कॉस्ट वगैरह सबको जीएसटी वगैरह जो भी टैक्सेस रहते हैं वो सारे डिडक्शन होने के बाद वट एवर विल बी द नेट प्रॉफिट दैट विल बी सोन टू यू. ओके, सो ऑलवेज ट्रैक P&L from net P&L from your broker, net P&L from ब्रोकर. ओके, ये सारा आप ट्रैकिंग करने. अब जब आप नेट P&L ब्रोकर से देखते हो तो ब्रोकर ऑलरेडी सोर्स यू द कॉस्ट इन द सेंस जीएसटी, एजीएसटी, वट एवर द अदर टैक्सेस एंड ऑल विच यू हैव already paid. Okay, brokerage, and on brokerage also you pay 18% GST. That also everything gets tracked in the broker terminal. Okay, so when you track the GST part, what you have already paid to government, whenever you are paying brokerage has GST. Okay, so that brokerage is also a cost, that GST is also a cost. Everything gets tracked by your broker terminal, and at the end you get your net profit. So similarly, to get your entire net, means more in-depth net profit, you need to consider what you are paying as profit sharing to your creator. That also you need to track. And if at all you are giving any that Tretron monthly expenses, that also you need to track. Okay, now coming to next part of this video, few users ask, sir, we don't want to pay 18% GST on profit sharing. We directly, if means we directly pay you in your account, which will be in offline invoicing, means instead of, because online means GST will be applicable, we will directly pay you offline invoices directly into your account. Okay, so first of all, I would say you should not do that. I totally agree. Till now Market Star had that provision, but at that time Market Star was not registered. At that time Market Star was not a private limited company. At that time Market Star did not have GST number. when we are now compliant with all these legal stuffs, that we are a registered private limited company with GST number, so technically we should not take 1 rupee also without GST. Okay, because we are providing you guys service, you are taking our availing our service, so it is a by default procedure of government that you have to pay GST. Okay, so now so with 18% GST, that 5% of profit sharing becomes 5.9%, becomes 5.9%. Why? Because 18% GST is getting added. So instead of 5%, when user has to pay 5.9%, definitely user will feel bad. But I'll tell you the merit. I'll tell you the merit. Okay. Let's say one user got 50,000 profit. Fair enough. I'm talking about only 50,000 profit in a month. Only 50,000 profit in a month I'm calculating. There are many users who even earns more than this in lakhs. Okay. So I'm talking about 50,000 profit in a month. Let's say with 10 lakh capital, 5% is the profit, which is 50,000 profit you got. So as per our point number 2, you can track this profit sharing. Means on 50,000 profit, you need to pay 2,500 as profit sharing. You need to pay 2,500 as the profit sharing. Okay, so this 2,500 profit sharing also you can track as your expense, and out of this 50,000 profit, this 2,500 will be deducted, and finally your taxable income from this month will become 47,500. 47,500. Okay, so let's say you will be coming in 30% slab at the year end. At the year end, let's say you will be in 30% slab. Okay, suppose 30% slab means on 47,500, on 50,000 you needed to be you need to pay 50,000 का 30% क्या होता है? 50,000 50,000 into 0.3. So 15,000 tax will come on this at the end of the financial year for a particular month. I am talking 50,000 profit in August. Okay, so for this August month profit, tax will be around 15,000. Obviously, this tax you need to calculate at the year end. I'm just making it simple. I'm talking about monthly profit sharing just for your understanding. Okay, so monthly on 50,000 of profit, tentatively for this particular monthly profit, you need to pay 15,000 tax. Okay, but since you have incurred 2,500 already, you have paid as an expense. So instead of 50,000, the tax will come. Your tax will be calculated on 47,500 into 0.3, which will come around 14,250 rupees. Which will come around 14,250 rupees. Okay, so straight away 750 rupees you got your tax benefit. Okay, tax benefit you got 750 rupees very easily. Okay, instead of 15,000 you need to pay only 14,250 rupees. So this 750 rupees tax benefit you can get only when you will be giving 18% GST. Only when you will be giving 18% GST on this 2,500 profit sharing to get your GST invoice to showcase the income tax department that you have actually incurred loss. Only then you can claim this tax benefit. Otherwise, you can't. So on 2,500, on 2,500 profit sharing, on 2,500 profit sharing, you will be paying 450 rupees as GST. I totally agree. Profit sharing with GST, it will come 450 rupees extra. But when you pay this 450 rupees extra, you can claim this 2,500 plus 450, this entire 2,500 plus 450. So this 2,950 entirely you can claim as expenses, and on this 2,950 you can get 30% 2,950 into 0.3, which will be around 885 rupees. By paying 450 rupees extra to get GST invoice, you will be getting 885 rupees tax benefit in a month with 50,000 profit. Now you can just imagine who are bigger traders. Just imagine who have profit around 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs in a month. When they are asking me, give me offline invoice, I get really surprised. Why you are asking online? Anyway, in market strategies, you are earning. Okay, when you are earning, your profits will be counted. No way you can hide those profits from income tax department. So whenever your profits are counted, so at least reduce those profits with this expenses. ये सब expenses वगैरह दिखाओ और profit को reduce करो ताकि tax कम देना पड़े. और profit को घटाने के लिए you need tax invoice, means GST invoice. Okay, so whenever this tracking, definitely the answer is we need to track so that you can showcase those after tracking the expenses, you can showcase those expenses, and at the end you have to pay tax on that, so it will be easy for you. And always prefer, means small traders may prefer offline invoices who have to pay 400 500 below 1000 rupees invoices, small invoices. You make, I am not encouraging, but you may consider or you may ask the creator to give offline invoices. But any bigger profits, you always ask for GST invoice. Once you will have GST invoice, then only you can claim these expenses and you will get benefited. Your broker already gives you the profit, the final net profit after deduction of all the cost. Similarly, you should also consider for taxation purpose Tratron expense and this creators profit sharing invoice expense. So all those things you should also track and get benefit from your expense taxation at the end of the year. Okay, so that's it. I wanted to explain the benefit of tracking the expense. I hope this video will be useful to all of you. Thank you.